let me demonstrate. Hit it one time, you can levitate. Bro, what's time now? Basura, ochata. Gonna ride it, do this how you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time. Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, babe. Turn around and just tease me, babe. Sugar.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a big surprise for the Camaro. Got some big things coming to it here in a little bit. Upgraded her tires today to Nitto G2 555 tires, and as you can see, we got them all in now, and we're going to go up to the tire shop to get these tires put on. They are charging me $125 since I know the guy that tinted the windows there, and he talked to his boss. I'm getting a hell of a discount. I called everybody else on these tires to try to get them mounted. Everybody wanted $200 to mount the tires. The reason why they want so much money to mount these tires are because the ones on the car are 305/30 tires, and they're a real thin sidewall, and not any tire shop can take care of them tires on them wheels. And honestly, I don't trust any other tire shop to dismount those wheels and remount those. The place I'm going to is a custom wheel store that does a lot of custom wheels, so they're used and have the proper machine to take these off. But I got 315/35s for the rears, and I got 275/40s for the fronts. I did order new tire sensors, and I believe they're over here. They came in the mail right here. So we're going to take those. We're going to have those installed too. The sensors in these wheels are no good. 2 of them work, 2 of them don't. I don't know which 2 were good, so we're going to replace them all. So let's get the tires loaded up and get to the shop. Alright, so we're on our way now to the tire shop. They moved my appointment up from 12 o'clock to up to 3 o'clock, so we are heading over there now to get these tires put on. I had to come home. I had to get my daughter, and but we're heading over there now, so I will see you when we get there. As you can tell by monitor system here, find out which tire is bad. Yeah, obviously none of them are working, so but that's alright. Like I said, I got new wheel sensors I'm gonna put in the these wheels to replace these. That way we don't have to deal with tire pressure and that stupid little orange light there. So we're almost here at the tire shop, and we'll get everything all squared away, and we'll get our new tires put on. So I will see you when we get there. This tire shop right here by the house, and we're officially here now. So let me go in, check in with the guy. That way we get these tires put on, and go from there. Damn big old wheel, like 26s. 28s. See, this place has a variety of wheels. If I had an SUV, I put those on there. Pretty nice wheels. Not much of a chrome person no more. Back in the day, I used to be a chrome person, but set of Camaro wheels right there. Probably right around a 13 model, 14 model wheel. So, yeah, this is where my buddy works, and that's where I'm getting the hookup. So it's got a bunch of different wheels. I guess he's going on for lunch, but they do a little bit of everything here. Wheels, stereo system, tents, customization. And we are waiting. And they got one in the shop right now for wheels and tires. And it'll be us. As you can tell, there's some tires. Dropped them off earlier, so I'd say that's probably your best bet. I think you might run into a little problem. He finally got them done. Took him a little bit, about an hour and a half or so. We got them done, so he's pulling it out now. Can't wait to see these tires, man. Pretty damn excited about these tires. Look at them. Look at them. Look at all that tread on them tires. Let's go in and pay the man and get on out of here. I'd like to give y'all an update. The car rides a lot better on these new tires. I didn't realize the front end's going to be a little bit higher, running a 275 instead of the 285 I had on here. So, but I'm heading to the house now and get ready to go out and do some stuff tonight. So if you like what you saw today, subscribe, like, comment below. Tell me what you think about the tires. Do you like the way it sits? If not, you know, what tire would y'all would have went with? Would y'all would have went the Nitto G2 tires, or would y'all went with the Triple R tire? But until the next video, later. Alright, you know, anytime you get new tires, you got to go test them out. Get that brake, that oil that sits on the tires that they ship them in and whatnot. You want to get that off the tires. So the best way to do that is go out, knock the traction control off of it, and let her eat there for a little bit. Now these G2 tires, they do leave some nasty, nasty, nasty black marks, and I love it. I may end up buying another set before it's too late. So, but as you can tell by front tires, it does sit a little bit higher in the front. I did not realize 275 was a taller tire than the 285, but I bought the tires, so they're on there now. And I'm running the 315 in the back. I don't believe I'm gonna have any rubbing issue. I'll find out when I take the wheel off, because I'm going to paint the wheel weights. They didn't have black ones. They said it was a special order to get the black weights. No big deal. I wasn't paying extra for black weights. So I'll just go and take my touch-up paint that I have, and I will paint the weights black. So, but what do y'all think about the car? Does it look good? Would you would have went with a smaller tire in the front, bigger tire in the back? Comment below, let me know. But that would be it for today's video. So if you like, comment, subscribe. You know, I'm trying to get used to this YouTube thing. Not very good, as you can tell. I keep saying and all this. So any pointers would help. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel, but I can only do so much at a time. So I'll have plenty of footage coming with car shows this year with the Camaro. I do have some other stuff that I need to get done underneath the hood and in the door seals there. I got some light up plates, so there'll be some more videos coming. Hopefully next week I will try to get to the under the engine part. So thanks for watching.